Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, it has been a few months since I filmed anything and posted it, but I am back here today to do a hair review for the hair company Modern Show Hair. So they reached out to me and sent me some hair to try out for you guys and let you guys know what I think about it. Okay, so the hair I received came in this cute little bag. And in that bag was the hair and also this little pouch of goodies here. So it came with a beauty blender. This is one of the things in there. And this cute little headband here. And it also came with these lashes here, which are really cute. I'm sure I will be using these at some point. So the hair I'm going to be reviewing for you guys is their 24-inch kinky straight ponytail. So far, just looking at it, I feel like I do like it. I know I'm going to have to run the flat iron over it a bit to kind of get out these little kinks, but I'm just going to try it on initially before I even do the flat irons, just so I can just get a good feel for what the hair is actually like. But first, I'm just gonna take these twists out. I did blow dry earlier today, but I'm gonna take the twists out and just kind of put a bun where I would want the ponytail to kind of sit. I'm thinking I want it like right here, like in the center of my head, but we'll see. But I'll be showing you guys that whole process, of course. So stay tuned. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, y'all, so I did kind of think about, like, I guess what kind of style I would want to do the ponytail, or how I would want to style the ponytail. So basically, y'all, I'm looking for my comb. Okay, so basically, I just want to have the ponytail up and then have like 2 pieces of hair kind of hanging in the front. That's like one of my like favorite looks, you know, to have hair out in the front while my hair back here is doing something else. So I'm gonna do a little part to kind of, I guess, measure the amount of hair I want to leave out. And y'all know I don't care about my parts being like perfect. I don't care about it at all. So make sure these little pieces of hair are even. It's kind of not even. It's not even Stevens. All right, we're gonna say that's close enough. And then we're gonna kind of twist these two together so they can stay out the way while I'm trying to get everything else pinned up. Oh, have y'all listened to the new Beyonce album? If you did, what are your top 3 songs from that album? Leave them in the comment box below. Well, my top 3 songs, my number 1 song has always been the same, is Alien Superstar. Like, I love that song as soon as I first heard it. And what else? I also like America's Got a Problem, or America Has a Problem. Whichever it is, I also really love that one. And Cuff It used to be like my number 3, but I think I like Thick now. I think Thick has taken Cuff It's place. I do really like I'm That Girl too. You know what, really, I just like the whole album because I like Plastic Off the Sofa a lot too. I just really love all of it. She did her thing with that album. Like, at first, I was like, I don't know about this sound, but you know, it's actually working out. I love it. So Surprised my hair is cooperating right now and not getting all tangled up and stuff. Y'all, I got this got to be glued freeze, what is it, freeze blasting spray, in case my hair don't want to act right, but I really don't want to spray that on my hair. But we'll see. If I have to use it, I will, but I really don't want to put no product on my hair because I would like to utilize the blow dried hair once I take the ponytail down. And I don't want a bunch of product built up in it. So hopefully we can get a good ponytail without assistance of products. Or of too many products, I'll say that. And I just got this ponytail holder. I like to double these because they stretch so much. Okay, I look kind of crazy, but that's all right because I won't by the end of this video. Y'all, as you can see, my hair is looking a little bit frizzy, so we might have to use that freeze dry spray. Okay. Okay. Take our brush and just kind of slick it. And I know all of y'all got some of that freeze dry spray because we use it to keep the wigs down. So, all right, we've taken care of the frizz mostly. And so now we're gonna try on the ponytail. And y'all, this is the construction of it. Like, you got a little comb. This is how the hair is sewn on, and then you got this Velcro attachment. Like, you just wrap it, you basically just wrap it around like that, and it just sticks like that. And then it got the hair that you just kind of wrap around to cover that up. But yeah, this is it. And y'all, this is human hair, if you couldn't tell. I don't think I mentioned that, but it is human hair. So we're gonna go ahead and attach that and see what we're working with. I'm just putting the comb in first in a good spot. Ooh, Velcro sticking to my head already. Ouchie. Kind of hurt. And the Velcro is just like getting stuck on my head, y'all. Lord. Y'all, I clearly don't know what I'm doing. Alright. Alright, we got the Velcro stuck on it. It's stuck. Lord. Now I'm just kind of wrapping this hair around, kind of cover that up. just gonna get a bobby pin. Kind of pin that in place. Make sure we stick that in comfortably, because we don't want an aggravating bobby pin. All right, y'all. Bobby pin that came through, child. All right, y'all, but this is the how it's looking. And that my hair that I have twisted up, it's just under here hanging out. See, it's just under here hanging out. But that's all right, cause I don't think nobody gonna really see that anyway, so I don't think I would really do nothing with that. But I think it's really cute so far. What y'all think? I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it for real. But the look is not completed yet. So let's see. I'm gonna try to straighten it a little bit. I do have my flat iron here. It's the same one I use in all my videos, that I use a flat iron. But we're gonna try to get some of like the waviness out of it. I know that's what makes it look kind of realistic, but we don't really want all of that. We don't want all of it in there. Well, I don't. Alright, so we're gonna take, actually let me do my edges first. Now y'all, for my edges I am gonna use some Eco Styler gel, because I don't want them to be just there. You want a little something going on. Separate these. Alright, y'all, so basically what we're gonna do with these is straighten them. They're gonna be straight in front of my face. We gotta put some heat protectant. This is what I use. And so you only need a dab. And you're not to put it in the roots. And y'all, I think I need to trim my ends, but we just gonna ignore that today. Yeah, I bumped the ends. So y'all, one pass. One pass is all you need. Y'all, this little widow's peak I got be so annoying sometimes, but you know, it is what it is. That's my hairline. This ponytail could have actually been a little bit higher. A little bit, but you know, it works. So what y'all think? Like, this is the final, ooh, like this is the final look. Like, what y'all think? Cute, right? I look like I'm from the 90s, like I went to high school in the 90s. Ponytail got a lot of body. Is it secure? As long as that Velcro stay attached, then yes, it's secure. But y'all, I love it. Actually, it's my first time having a ponytail like this. Like, you know, usually I just makeshift my own ponytail. So this will be my first time like having a legit human hair ponytail. And I actually love it. So cute. I really love it. But yes, let me know what you guys think in the comments below on this hair. Let me know what y'all think. But I love it. It's very cute. Very cute. There's some short hairs up here that refuse to lay down. But, you know, other than that, I love it. Okay, so y'all, of course, I will leave the link for this hair in the description box below. So if y'all like it, y'all can go buy it. It does get my seal of approval. It does. 2 thumbs up for Modern Show Hair with this unit. Thank you, Modern Show Hair, for sending me this. I really love it. Honestly, I honestly do. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and my randomness. But I will be back with more videos soon. I will. I promise. But thank you so much for tuning into my channel and for watching. I'll be back with more videos soon.